8 to go through to today's final. 7:22, Bob. 7:22's been out once today, so he'll have to leave the track, I'm afraid. 7:22, second attempt today, so he's out. Well, Carl Overy, 617, ladies and gentlemen. Let me draw your attention to young Jack there, a real entertainer, absolutely blistering up at Milton on the Shale, and he's appeared at Arena once this year in the international team race between Great Britain and Europe, and he was pretty bloody fabulous then as well, so watch out for him. 617, Carl Overy, and it's interesting that the drivers that he's been wiping out are now anxious to have him in their team. There's the green flag. We are racing, and Capon goes into the All Black, who takes out Rick Notes flat out. A massive set of hits right at the start there as Overy gives his skipper a whack. And John Nichols lines up Overy. And here come the leaders. It's 360 in the lead. 563, and 723. A blistering head-on with 203. Here comes the birthday boy. Get that track going, George Robotham. 58, John Nichols doing a few more laps than he did last time. 680 and 238 doing head-on. But let's keep it on the track, chaps. And the leader's been stuffed. Oh, and again. And they're all in a spin down there. 183, the new leader. And they are playing into each other on the pit bend. No mercy. Sensational classic car confrontations down there. High-speed wrecking. 183, the race leader in the SCI. 156 in second. Then it's 32, 300, 617, 563 and 58. Those are the leaders. .691 spins out 102. And it's all gone quiet after those sensational early race hits on the back straight there. One or two of the cars beginning to fall apart. 722, Dick Tracy moving up nicely. And here comes the leader, wildly, fairly wild, 183, and he has got damaged steering. 156 and 32, closing the gap. 617 looks to be out. 58 moves up into 4. 347 gobbles up 680. And there is a new race leader, Bob. As we hit halfway, it's 156, Dave Patton, the new leader. And he's gone. 183 regains the lead. 58 second. 563 third. 300 fourth. 691 fifth. 156 in sixth. 722 in seventh. And there are 5 laps to go now. That's 95. Simon Capon goes rover wrecking on the pit bend. 183 and 58. 563 and 691. 300 and 722. 156 and the rest. 238, Buster Woods has bust his car. And look at 680, it's a shame. The All Black is all broke. 183 and 58 with 4 to go. 691 up into third place now. .300, 722 and 156 are there. 461 maybe getting back up into the places now. 3 laps to go. for 183 and 58. John Nichols lining up Lee Wildish now. The Jag and the Rover on the back straight. 183 and 58. That's the race for supremacy. One or two of them queuing up for a bit of wrecking on the pit bend. And Nichols is through it all and into first place. 58, John Nichols is the leader. 183 second. 691 third. 722 in fourth place. 156 is fifth. 563 in sixth. And they're on the last lap now. Big four-wheel drift out of turn 4 by the former Silverdale Arena Essex champion, John Nichols, number 58. As gear spins pattern on the exit to turn 2, and 95 has a pop at 722. And 722 has blown it. Dick Tracy has disappeared. And John Nichols has won it. 58, the race winner. 183 in second place. And a red flag now, please, Bob.